This is Lalit Kumar Pathak. Today I am going to explain about the Python program, and today's topic is iterative statement. In previous classes, I have explained about the iterative statement using for loop. Today I am going to do some program using while loop. So both for loop and while loop is used to display pattern type problems, but syntax are different. So let us start the program. You have to display odd numbers in between 10 to 20 in descending order. That means what is the initial value for your? So initial value is 11 and final value is 19, and it is incremented by 2. Okay, so you have to print in descending order, so its initial value become 19 and final value become 11, and it decrement by 2. So in for loop you have to write down initial value, final value and increment or decrement in the same line, but here you have to initial value, that is 19. So I am going to take a variable named odd is equal to 19. This is my initial value and I am going to initialize it. Then after write down while loop, while, and in final value you have to give in condition. So odd less than equals to 11, and it must be terminated by colon symbol. Then after print odd, and lastly you have to write down increment or decrement. So it is decrement, so odd is equal to odd minus 2, and now save your program by pressing Ctrl S and write name of the program, and now execute the programs. Okay, so it does not display any message. Why? Because my initial value is 19 and initial value is less than equal to 11. So condition become false. So it does not print anything. So in that case you have to change into greater than equals to 11, and then after save your file and execute this program. Now output become ready for you. Okay, and again if you want to print all the things within the same line, you can use in a statement within the print. Understand? Now let us try to understand with the new another example. You have to display table of any number. In that case you can assume any table, or you can take input from the users. So I am going to take a variable t and take the table value. So first of all you have to initialize the table. Suppose I am going to t is equal to 4. Then write down while, and while t is less than equals to, in for case you have to write down in place of 40 you have to write down 41, but here you have to write down 40 only. It is applicable only on for loop. So write down print t and then increment it by print is equal to sorry, t is equal to t plus 4. That's okay. And now save it, and before this one you have to write down multiple line message, so it does not execute the line. Save your program and press F5. It displays the table of 4. If you want to display the table of any number, you have to write down the program by using input statement. So let us take another example. Now in this case you have to take a variable is equals to and use int input enter table name. Now take another variable, because you have to multiply this value. So m is equals to initialize m by 1, write down while bracket m less than equals to 10 and print t into m, and m initialize it by final value m is equal to m plus 1. Okay, now save this program and change here as a this one, save it and enter the table name. Suppose I am going to press 8, it displays the table of 8. If you want to display the table of 8 like 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3, so you have to change little bit difference. So in that case you have to write down t comma inverted comma into, again write down comma, then again m separated by comma inverted comma equals to again comma t into m. Now save your program and press F5. Table name, suppose I am going to press 9, it displays the values in like this manner. So I think you can understand very easily how you can use the while loop for printing a pattern type problems. So you can understand very easily. So thank you and have a nice day.